CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.8. Given a scenario, perform appropriate printer maintenance. Inkjet Printer. With this video segment, we will begin our study of Exam Objective 3.8, which requires you to perform appropriate printer maintenance. Printers, like any other mechanical device, require routine maintenance to ensure reliable operation and consistent print quality. Over time, components wear down, consumables run out, and internal parts can become dirty or misaligned. Performing proper maintenance helps extend the life of the printer, prevents unexpected downtime, and ensures that documents are printed clearly and accurately. For the exam, you should understand how printers operate and the common maintenance procedures associated with 4 major printer types, including inkjet printers, laser printers, thermal printers, and impact printers. Each of these printer technologies operates differently, which means their maintenance tasks and replacement components will also differ. We will begin with one of the most common printers found in homes and small offices, which is the inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are widely used in both home and office environments to produce high-quality prints. These printers rely on ink cartridges to transfer ink onto paper, enabling the creation of text and images. The ink cartridge serves as a crucial component in the printing process in an inkjet printer, acting as a reservoir for the ink needed for printing operations. Engineered with specially formulated ink, the cartridge ensures vibrant and precise colors in printed output. Following the ink cartridge, the next component to discuss is the print head, situated within the printer. The print head disperses ink onto the paper in precise patterns to form characters and images. Print heads can either be detached, where the ink cartridges are housed separately, or integrated, where the print head is built directly into the ink cartridge. Moving on, the pickup roller and feed rollers work together to facilitate the smooth movement of paper through the printer, ensuring accurate and efficient printing operations. The pickup roller grabs a single sheet of paper from the paper tray or input tray, using friction to guide it into the printer mechanism. Subsequently, the feed rollers assist in guiding the paper through the printer. Together, these components play a critical role in the paper handling process, helping to prevent misfeeds or paper jams. After discussing the pickup roller and feed rollers, the next component to explore is the carriage belt. The carriage belt is an integral part of the inkjet printer's mechanism, responsible for the precise movement of the print head assembly across the width of the paper. Connected to the print head assembly, the carriage belt allows for controlled back and forth movement along the paper path during printing. Now that we've examined the major components of an inkjet printer, it's important to understand the calibration process that helps keep these components operating in harmony and with precision. During calibration, the printer aligns various components, such as the print head and paper feed mechanisms, to ensure precise ink application and paper handling. This alignment assists in maintaining print quality. The calibration process typically involves printing a test page with alignment patterns or color gradients. The printer then analyzes the test page and makes adjustments as needed to ensure accurate printing. Depending on the printer model, calibrations may be performed automatically or manually through the printer's settings menu. Regular calibration is essential for maintaining print quality and preventing issues. It's recommended to calibrate the printer periodically, especially after replacing ink cartridges or performing maintenance tasks. With that said, some maintenance tasks that are specific to inkjet printers include cleaning the print heads, replacing ink cartridges, and clearing paper jams. Print heads can become clogged with dried ink or debris over time, leading to poor print quality or streaky prints. Regularly cleaning the print heads is necessary to maintain clear and consistent ink application. Many inkjet printers offer built-in cleaning utilities accessible through the printer's settings menu. Alternatively, users can use print head cleaning kits for more thorough maintenance. As ink levels deplete or cartridges become empty, it becomes necessary to replace them promptly to prevent interruptions in printing. Inkjet printers often feature ink level indicators to alert users when cartridges need replacement. Be sure to follow manufacturer guidelines for cartridge replacement, ensuring compatibility and proper installation to maintain print quality. Paper jams are common occurrences in inkjet printers and can disrupt printing operations if not addressed promptly. When a paper jam occurs, carefully remove the jammed paper from the printer following the manufacturer's instructions to avoid damaging internal components. Then clear any remaining paper fragments or debris from the paper path to prevent future jams. By adhering to these maintenance tasks, users can ensure that their inkjet printers operate smoothly and reliably, producing high-quality prints consistently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.